Hello, and welcome to International Private Finance's French Guide to Supporting Documentations for your mortgage application. My name is Koya Harvey, and I'm a French mortgage assistant here at IPF. From my experiences living in France, a lot of any formal or regulated process in France can be largely bureaucratic and require a large amount of paperwork. But one of the things that we aim to do here at IPF is to simplify any process. So what I'm going to do today is give you a very brief overview on how to prepare and get ready all the information and documentation you will need, and also a little bit of an overview as to why the banks require what they do. To start, it's easiest to think of the bank's requirements as three distinct categories. The first one being the proof of your identity and the relationship between any applicants if you are making your application with your partner. So this is going to be the category of documents you are most familiar with, and also these will be the ones that will be easiest to obtain. So what the banks require is your run-of-the-mill ID documentation. This will be things such as your passport, driving license, and a utility bill to prove your address. So in terms of if you are making a joint application, the bank will ask for a proof of your relationship. This will be something such as a marriage certificate, or if you have had a previous relationship such as divorce, they will also ask for proof of this. Okay, so the second category is paperwork concerning why you require a loan. What the banks are going to normally require is a sales agreement. So if you're actually purchasing a property that already exists, the document you'll actually need to provide to the banks is called a compromis de vente. This is a legal agreement that's drafted by your notaire and will be signed by you and also the person who you're buying the property from. If, however, you are buying a property that doesn't quite yet exist, so these are called a VEF, or an off-plan property, you will actually need to provide the banks with a copy of your reservation contract. This also is drafted by the notaire, but also by the developer. Okay, so on top of that, the bank will also appreciate any details concerning the particulars of the property. This can be things such as a brochure that you may have about the property details, or also any pictures that you may also possess. This is the area that normally requires the largest amount of paperwork. Because the banks are fixing a rate for potentially up to 25 years, this is the area in which they really need to see your current and projected financial situation. So in terms of documents, this usually entails 3 months worth of statements for any bank accounts or credit cards you may hold, as well as any salary, savings, investments or pension you may have yet accrued or projected to receive. To summarise, French banks do require an exhaustive list of documentation. However, according to our guide, we hope that this has helped you to familiarise yourself with what the banks may require. To summarise, you can actually look at this in terms of 3 short, simple questions you can ask yourself when looking at your paperwork. The first question that you can ask is, do the documents provided allow the banks to really verify my identity? The second question really would be, do the documents provided give the banks enough information about the purpose for the loan? And the third question would be, do the documents provided give the banks a really good idea of my current and projected financial status? I hope that you found this video useful and informative. If you want any more information, please do visit our website at www.internationalprivatefinance.com. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 0207 484 4600. Thank you.